When you look at the future of the creator economy, one thing you talked about was this concept called the new Hollywood. Will you define what that is in your perspective?
Yeah, so it's all kind of converging, and we've always said we bridge the gap between traditional and digital. And it almost feels like we've accomplished that in a lot of ways, where the gap has kind of been bridged. And the last 5 years, things have really changed and all kind of come together. And for us, the new Hollywood, Hollywood 2.0, it's all about everything living under one roof. There's no digital versus traditional. The reality is a lot of the traditional platforms, a Netflix, a Hulu, they are digital platforms. So it's all one thing. And the creator economy is basically just an evolution of that idea that a filmmaker is a creator, a musician is a creator is a creator. It's all kind of becoming one thing. And it's really about owning the audience is what the creator economy is all about, and how do you build a business around an audience and own that audience and deliver to that audience. And that's why all these platforms went D2C, because they wanted to own that audience and create around that audience. And now it's just you take a creator, you take a celebrity, it's all the same playbook, and you're building the ecosystem around them. And for us as a company, it's the same thing. So you have your talent management business, but then you need to build the consumer products business around it. You need to build the production business around it. Eventually, maybe you build a brand and PR agency, you build events and experiences. And it's like you need to create the full spectrum so everyone can tap into those different things. And with Hollywood, the problem in the past was that they just weren't evolving with where things were going. But I think the last year or two, honestly, were like a huge wake up call to see their space declining and the creator economy booming. When maybe 2018, 2019, they were probably creator economy was growing and Hollywood was steadily rising. And now it's the growth rates have changed. And a lot of executives in the traditional space that have been around for a while are starting to see this and catching on to it. And I love that people are calling it the creator economy because it's new and it has a new shiny name, but also I love that people are waking up to it today thinking it was, a brand new thing overnight when we've been doing it for 15 years. So we're at a point now where it's really starting to hit critical mass, which is amazing.